Hey, what's up guys, Jason here for Technobox Unboxings, and today I'm excited to bring you something new. It launched late last year, that's late 2019 here in South Africa, and of course it is this, the brand new Vivo Mobile. Well, I say brand new. Vivo Mobile has been around for some time now. In fact, they've established themselves as quite a player in the global smartphone market. Part of BBK Electronics, they are responsible for brands like Oppo, Realme, and even OnePlus, big players on the market. As a result, they've also established themselves as one of the world's leading mobile makers. So when I got invited late last year to take a look at what they're doing for South Africa, I was pretty excited because they're not new to the smartphone game and they bring quality products all at an affordable price point. So without further ado, and with this being said, let's take a look at this. I was first sent this one. It's the Y11. It's at the moment one of two models available here in South Africa, and at under 3,000 Rand, it packs some seriously impressive internals. The big one which we first need to look at is what it says on the box here in front, 5,000 mAh battery. So the problem with everything with smartphones, we're on them all the time. In fact, if you look at your screen time, you probably spend hours a day up and down, on and off, using them, calls, conferencing, all kinds of things. And that's where a 5,000 mAh battery is really, really impressive. The other thing which is on the little gold tab in the corner, which I'll show you closer in detail, is 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of ROM. So this phone should pack some pretty impressive internals. It's also got an AI dual camera. And on the back of the box here, pretty simple. You can see it's got a 1-year warranty, as for the red label there, and pretty much not much else. So with this being said, and without further ado, let's cut the plastic open, unbox it, and spend a little bit of time checking out the Vivo Mobile Y11. Right, now with the plastic taken off, let's take a look at what comes inside the box. So first things first, when you open up the box, you are greeted with a white card on top, and in there you're getting, actually, which is quite nice and nifty, not only your SIM pin ejection tool and instructional cards, you're also getting an actual plastic molded cover which has been supplied. So that's a really nice touch. No looking about running around finding a cover, there's one included in the box. And apart from this, up top here you're greeted very clean, very clear with the device itself, which we'll get back to in a second. And you've got your information, your IMEI numbers, etc. A little slot here, and then inside the box itself we're getting a wall power brick. This is a 5 volt 2 amp one, which of course is USB on there, and on this side here you're getting the actual sync charge cable, which is in this case a micro USB cable, not a USB-C as we see on some devices, but a micro cable. And we're also getting a nifty, very clean and clear pair of white in-ear earphones. So with that being said, let's get some of this out the way for a second, and let's take a look at the device itself. Bringing the device into the spotlight, let's first get the plastic cover off, and there you can see, very crisp, very clean, very clear, a perfectly all black looking display, which I always like. It denotes quality. Over at the back you get this lovely blue shimmer. Gorgeous looking back without the sticker on there. It really is a beautiful looking thing. Immediately we greeted with this, Vivo, powered by Android. And of course this has built-in Android out the box, so that's access to the full Google Play Store with all its applications. There are tons of features and applications which Android give you the ability to use, and with this, the brilliant, vibrant 6.35-inch display, over at the back here, a 13-megapixel dual AI camera, 3 gigs of RAM, a 5,000 mAh battery, and Vivo's own fun Touch OS. I should have no problem enjoying the many applications. Packing a lot in the way of features, Vivo Mobile has certainly brought something exciting here to South Africa. Firstly, a gorgeous looking display, a beautiful looking texture over at the back, it really is striking, the likes of a rear fingerprint sensor to scan in, dual AI camera, a forward-facing shooter in front for selfies, and of course face recognition unlock. This very, very bright and vibrant and impressive 6.35-inch display, as well as its 5,000 mAh battery, all make for what is an impressive looking smartphone package. Then finally, to top things off, you got to discuss price. What will the Y11 cost you here in South Africa, as well as all the Vivo Mobile products? Well, currently they're available through Vodacom. There'll probably be other stores and carriers very shortly joining if they're not out there already. And pricing is from below 3,000 Rand. We're talking this, the Y11 coming in at just 2,700. That's in the box with all its accessories, its features, the covers, the cases, the cabling. I love the fact that it's got the micro USB port at the bottom, as well as a 3.5mm audio jack. It's impressive premium appearance, grade, build and features, all at an affordable price point. You can also get the Vivo Mobile Y11C, and that comes in under 2,000 Rand. So it seems like this brand are on a mission. They've already taken the world by storm, climbing up the ranks, and it looks like South Africa is in for some exciting surprises. It really is an impressive place to be, what Vivo Mobile are bringing to the market. From me, Jason of Technoblock, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.